vlogging that much since we got here in Bali. I think I only vlogged once. I'm in a hostel, by the way, so you can hear like some people screaming, shouting, or like talking, so I apologize for that. I've been experiencing what they call a Bali belly. You get sick from the food that you eat, liquids that you consume, or even from the shower. This was supposed to be a really nice honeymoon, but you know what? Not all trips would go the way it would be. Sometimes you experience nice things, sometimes you experience mishaps. As a frequent traveler, I'm very careful of what I eat or where I drink, but this time it's different. That's why I decided to finally buy myself a self-cleaning water bottle called Larq. It's even in my favorite color. I specifically got the Larq Pure Vis. I think the best solution was to have a water bottle that cleans itself. It is a self-cleaning water bottle that uses built-in water purification that eradicates up to 99.99% of bacteria, which gives access to clean drinking water anytime, anywhere, wherever I travel. It takes only 60 seconds for indoor use water purification and up to 3 minutes for outdoor use when set to adventure mode, making it 10,000 times more hygienic than regular reusable water bottles. It also has this automatic self-cleaning that activates every 2 hours, basking the water and inner source of the bottle in purifying UVC light. And all I have to do is press this. Once I fill this water bottle with water, I close this and press the top. Once the blue light glows, it means that it's already activated. If you guys want to know more about the Larq bottle, I will be putting the link on the description box.
It's breakfast time at Penny Lane in Canggu.
I'm excited to eat. This place is so Instagrammable.
Yeah.
Everywhere you look is like a spot.
Yeah. Super nice. So many different areas, right?
But also the food is also really good. They have good reviews.
Yep. Some pasalubos because my sister wants a rattan bag from Bali, so we're gonna check that local store here in Canggu. That was our second time in this place, and their food is so good. The staff are very nice. A nice place where you can go on a date.
Super cool. This place is super famous on Pinterest, on Instagram.
That's it. That's it.
So cute.
I repeat the order. One ice latte with almond milk and one ice one fruit americano.
Correct.
Total is 72,000.
Card, please.
Thank you, Mamacita, for paying.
I got the iced latte with almond milk. What did you get?
I got a regular Americano. It's pool time! Sweet! Everybody's just lounging today. It's kind of like a surf camp here too. So when people are not surfing, they're out here enjoying. Yeah, let's get one of these.
This dress for I think 200,000.
Wow.
It's not so bad, right? It's nice. Date night.
Date night.
Also still part of our honeymoon. We're always on a honeymoon.
We actually are.
I think all couples should have a date once in a while. You know, it doesn't have to be expensive. Maybe it's sometimes I can cook for you, you know. That's already considered a date night. Have some candles, romantic music. But no drinking for us today because I'm trying my best not to drink for 1 month. So let's see.
Let's go.
If it'll happen.
I think you can do it.
We have arrived.
Nice. Where did you find this?
Google reviews.
Love it.
It's called Luma because hindi siya bago, mga best. Char.
Really good. Nice find, Ava. I like this view right here. Check that out. So cool.
Tudo que restou dessa fantasia foi sentimento e a fotografia. Tudo que ficou foi uma.
Guys, we are furniture hunting here in Indonesia to maybe bring something back home to the Philippines.
Yeah, let's see if they ship to the Philippines. I think this is our 4th stop of our furniture hunting. Oh, look at that. This has more varieties actually.
Wow, such a big store, Ava. That's like the dream cabinet, no?
Love it. Let's see how much.
Wow, maybe we can have that in our bedroom. Come on. Oh, sure.
He likes you more.
So Ava is picking up some stuff.
Yeah. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
We found this like glass house and we want to check it out. I think it's a lamp store.
Such a cool place. Our waiter at the lawn.
Welcome to the lawn, Canggu.
Thank you,
Bali.
sir. Thank you.
We are here at the lawn. It's a beach club here in Canggu. About to have early dinner. See, you just buy something like this. This is so cheap, this one. And then you put paper.
My God.
I know.
Wow, that looks so good. You might have to share that, you know. Wow, it's dripping. Ooh. Skirt. Yeah. Here we go.
Change into our swimwear. It's now nighttime in our hostel. It's nice, even if it's a hostel, there are a lot of private rooms. I think these ones are the air-conditioned ones. The one we have is only a fan room. So nice and cozy. So this is pool number 1. I think there are 3 swimming pools here. It's a long table. I saw people playing games here, volleyball earlier. We even have a rock climbing area here. It's quiet even if it's a hostel. Is it cold? Chilly? How deep is it?
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
Yeah,
Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark.